Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a logo bit effect in CapCut PC. So select your logo and I'm going to select this Instagram logo and resize, and after that you are just going to effect, select nightclub, and I'm looking for the bit effect, so just add the track and adjust for the duration in the same length. And you can also adjust for the option right here. Alright, and you are just going to add the audio, so select sound effect and just search for the beat sound. Alright, I'm going to select heartbeat, add the track. Alright, so here you go. This is the final effect you have on your video. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.